Did you know that this simple glass of sugarcane juice can boost your energy, improve digestion, bone and teeth development, and even give you glowing skin? But is sugarcane actually good for daily use? Stay tuned because today I am sharing 6 surprising benefits of sugarcane. First, let's talk about what is sugarcane. It's a tall, thick grass native to tropical region and it's the main source of the sugar we use every day. But beyond refined sugar, consuming fresh sugarcane juice or chewing on raw sugarcane has some powerful health benefits. Benefit number 1, bone and teeth development. Raw sugarcane chewing habit can help strengthen your teeth. It has calcium content that ensure proper skeleton, teeth and bone development. Number 2, natural energy booster. Sugarcane juice is an instant energy booster. It contains natural sugars like sucrose that are easy absorbed by your body, making it a perfect drink to beat fatigue. Benefit number 3, improves digestion. Struggling with digestion issue, sugarcane juice is rich in potassium which help balance stomach acidity and promotes smoother digestion. Benefits number 4, boost immunity. Sugarcane juice is packed with antioxidant, vitamin C and minerals like iron and magnesium which help strengthen your immune system and fight off infections. Number 5, healthy skin and fights acne. Want clear skin? The glycolic acid in sugarcane juice help reduce acne and prevent skin aging by promoting cell regeneration. Number 6, support liver health. Sugarcane juice is an excellent detox drink. It helps your liver function better and especially useful for preventing jaundice by maintaining electrolyte balance. Now, is it okay to have sugarcane daily? The answer is yes, in moderation. A glass of fresh sugarcane juice a day is generally safe and can provide these amazing benefits. But if you have diabetes or specific medical condition, consult your doctor first.